I want to be able to configure interfaces to put on IP addresses and things like that. Turn them off, shut them down, start them up, and things of that nature. In order to do that, I need to be in the configuration mode for a particular interface. And right now I'm in a line configuration mode. So let's move to interface, that's INT, and then I need the number of an interface. Let's try F01. Okay, I'm in config IF. Now, how do I know what interfaces I have, by the way? Let's go to the show running config, and I'll scroll down here, and you can see I've got two fast Ethernet interfaces, F00 and F01. And then, let's see, I've got a VLAN. That's all I've got in this router. I don't have anything else in the router because I don't have any other cards. I don't have any serial ports in here or gig interface ports in here. So right now I've only got these three. We'll talk about what VLANs are later in the course, but right now I'm concerned about these. One interesting thing to note is that routers start with a 0 and switches always start with 1. There is no interface 0 in a switch. These are named Fast Ethernet 0/0. The first 0 has to do with what slot it's in, and then the second one has to do with what port within that slot. So that's why you have double. In some cases with serial ports and so on, you might have 3 numbers, and you don't need to type the entire part of it. In other words, I can just put F. I don't need Fast Ethernet. I can just put the F. So these things are pretty pretty forgiving in what they accept. So for example, interface, if I just type fast and then 0/1, it actually put me, you can't tell here, but it actually put me in Fast Ethernet 01. So these are real forgiving. I'm going to go back to Fast Ethernet 00 in this case. And now I'm ready to put whatever configurations on this interface that I need to.